Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are gonna learn about a new function which is drawFrameAxes. Actually, this is an important function also because this is helping you the coordinate axis of the your chessboard, because according to that you can make the 3D reconstruction. So this is the knowing the axis is important. Also, you can somehow prove your system. And let's try to check how this is working. We can switch to the code part, and this is the code from the previous video. Lastly, we learned about the get optimal new camera matrix, which was helping us to remove the black part of the image. Actually, now we don't need this, so we can remove this optimized image. We can remove here. Also, we can remove the named window. Okay. So what we have now, we are basically just calibrating, and after that we are just undistorting our image. Now we can directly try to use our this drawFrameAxes, which is gonna draw the axis. Also, you can reach those axes easily by the help of this. And here what you need to do is just first of all give the image we want to draw to image, because we are calculating via on the image, so you seeing the axis on the source image is gonna be better. So camera matrix is we already calculated by the function of the undistort, and next is the distance coefficients and rotation vectors and transition vectors, which is this one. And the float length, we can also see in the code part, in the result. This is showing how many millimeter you want to draw your axis. For example, in our case, the chessboard squares was 20 millimeter, so we can make it maybe 40 millimeter. And the thickness of the line, this is representing the line thickness for visualizing, and we can make it as 2. Now we can run the code and see how it looks like. We are gonna see in the image output this one. Okay, it's drawn, but it's a bit overwriting, so we can just remove this draw chessboard corners so we can see them easier. Let's see. Okay, now you see we decided the length of the axis as 40 millimeter, which is if the chessboard is 20 millimeter, is drawing correctly. And if we read the documentation, it says the x-axis drawn in red, y-axis in green, and z-axis in blue. So this is the z-axis. So it's short because you need to just think it's coming through to the camera, and you can think in that way. This is 40 millimeter the distance. So basically, axis draw axis function is working in this way. It's simple, but it's easy to give you an intuition how the calibration is working and the result looks like. So yeah, basically in this video I just wanted to show you how this is working, and yeah, we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.